Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Joker and Dress to Impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this bang and this makeup style. And then we're going to wear this jeans. And then I'm going to remove the flower and change the material to matte. Okay, and I'm going to color it purple. Okay, this purple. And then let's move to the next area. We're going to wear this suit, this one, and change the toggle to type 3 and color it green. Okay, and I'm going to color the button to green as well. Okay, and we're going to move to this area and wear this top, and then I'm going to color it purple as well, the same purple. Okay, and for the tie I'm going to color it yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shoe, and for the color I'm just going to leave it like that. And we're going to wear this item. Okay, and then let's move to this area and wear this tie, color it yellow. Okay, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add sock. I'm going to use the sock and I'm going to remove the fur, make it short, and color it black. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress up as a Joker and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!